Hello everyone, welcome back to RM English. This is daily English lesson. First sentence, kneel down. Kneel down. घुटनों पर बैठ जाओ. We are pottering around. We are pottering around. हम इधर उधर के काम कर रहे हैं. Roll your hands. हाथ गोल गोल घुमाओ. Roll your hands. Shake your hand. हाथ मिलाओ. Shake your hand. हाथ मिलाओ. Wink your eye. आँख मारो. Wink your eye. Scratch your head. सर खुजाओ. Scratch your head. या don't scratch your head. अपना सर मत खुजाओ. Answer my questions. मेरे सवालों का जवाब दो. Answer my question. Blink your eyes. पलकें झपकाओ. Blink your eyes. Sniff your nose. Sniff your nose. नाक सिनको. Shake your head. Shake your head. ना में सर हिलाओ. Have a dance. Have a dance. नाचो. Have a dance with me. We are pottering about the house. हम घर के इधर उधर के काम कर रहे हैं. Stretch your arms. Stretch your arms. हाथ तानो. Bend forward. आगे झुको. Bend backward. पीछे झुको. Bend backward. Turn around. पीछे घूमो. Turn around. Nod your head. हाँ में सर हिलाओ. Nod your head. I want to play outside. मुझे बाहर खेलना है. I want to play outside. It's sunny outside. बाहर धूप है. It's sunny outside. Study here itself. Study here itself. यहीं पढ़ाई करो. Take out your pencil. अपनी पेंसिल निकालो. Take out your pencil. Write this down. इसे लिख लो. Write this down. या write it down भी हो सकता है. Sharpen your pencil. अपनी पेंसिल छीलो. Sharpen your pencil. Stamp your feet. Stamp your feet. पैर पटको. Don't be lazy. सुस्ती मत दिखाओ. Don't be lazy. Read this. इसे पढ़ो. Read this. इसे पढ़ो. Read this aloud. इसे ज़ोर ज़ोर से पढ़ो. Read this aloud. Take off your slippers. Take off your slippers. अपनी चप्पलें उतार दो. Erase it. इसे मिटाओ. Erase it. इसे मिटाओ. The glass is upside down. Glass उल्टा है. The glass is upside down. Turn the glass right side up. Glass सीधा कर दो. Turn the glass right side up. Pour some water. Pour some water. पानी उंडेलो. Take off the lid. ढक्कन खोलो या ढक्कन हटा दो. Take off the lid. Put on your slippers. अपनी चप्पलें पहन लो. Put on your slippers. Add 1 pinch of salt. एक चुटकी नमक मिलाओ. Add 1 pinch of salt. Screw the lid back on it. ढक्कन वापस लगाओ. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ hit the like button and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.